Hello, we are from NMIMS School of Design. I'm Arpita Karmakar, and along with my teammates Sharvati Joshi and Divya Kopikar, we present to you SeaWaGuard, a safety management dashboard for sewage treatment plant workers. With 1,093 sewage treatment plants across the country, these zones are high risk due to exposure to hazardous gases and the tragic incident where two sewer workers lost their lives falling into Delhi Jal Board sewer in Kondli highlights the dangerous working conditions of these sewage treatment plant workers in India. This critical problem is linked to UN SDG Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being, and UN SDG Goal 9, promoting sustainable and safe industry practices through industry innovation and infrastructure. Introducing SeaWaGuard, the groundbreaking solution that's transforming sewage treatment plant worker safety. SeaWaGuard is a holistic safety solution that integrates prior research and innovative technologies to protect workers' health. It revolutionizes the safety management through a holistic
Now
system.
let's understand the ecosystem of SeaWaGuard. Stakeholders involved in the process were workers, supervisors, operators, and BMC officials. The ecosystem was developed ensuring that the data be collected from the worker to track their health instead of the plant, as the infrastructure of the plant would divide the data points in multiple variables. This is a technology map created with input and output of specific data points. Data points taken from workers in sewage treatment plant, sent to the cloud, and then later on displayed to the supervisor and BMC dashboard respectively. At worker level, Sivagad uses advanced cameras to ensure that every hero is well equipped. And at the plant level, supervisors have the power of control. With the Sivagad dashboard, they can monitor workers, machines, and plant operations in real time. For added peace of mind, our heroes wear Sivagad wearables. In case of an emergency, help is just a button away. But Siva goes beyond worker safety. The system displays advisory cards with an emergency plan in order to assist in handling flooding emergency cases. These cards can be operational checklists or multi-level task advisories. When Siva Guard detects a rise in gas concentration level, it sends a precautionary alert to the supervisor to bring an site operation attention to it. Upon receiving the emergency level alert of chlorine gas level exceeding the threshold, causing potential health hazards, the supervisor takes the authoritative decision to send an evacuation alert to the workers and operators of Zone 4 to start evacuating the premises before the situation escalates. Once the zone evacuation is in action, the Siva Guard dashboard automatically switches over to the emergency incident tracker mode. It begins calculating current incident status, prioritize worker health list with workers with deteriorating health on top for quicker identification. In case of emergency evacuation, when workers are unable to independently evacuate themselves, the SOS button on their wearables comes at rescue. The system optimizes dispatching assistance on basis of detection of whether it's a false alarm or with a 40-second SOS cancellation time period, while the cancellation window is open. A sister is notified about the potential recipient, and once the Siva Guard variable provides the helper location of the recipient, the evacuation mission is now in control. Once all the workers are safely evacuated, it provides preparedness metrics. Time took to evacuate, helping them to improve their emergency preparedness. For disaster management, we offer specialized dashboards for the BMC to impose penalty on plants that do not adhere to these pollution regulation guidelines given to them, from CPCB to monitor pollution levels in and around the plant.
SeaWaGuard meets safety and compliance needs of workers, supervisors, and regulatory bodies by integrating it through advanced cameras, variables, and real-time monitoring. This technology enables them in proactive hazard alerts and optimized emergency responses tailored to the unique challenges of sewage treatment plants in India. The evaluation process, including real-time incident tracking and post-incident analysis, ensured ongoing improvement in safety protocols offered by our platform. Stakeholders, including workers, supervisors, and safety experts, were actively engaged to ensure the practicality and user-friendliness of our solution. The research adhered to strict ethical standards safeguarding participants' rights and privacy. While effective in real-time monitoring, we face challenges including reliance on existing infrastructure and integration with the older system. Our future plans focus on expanding the language support, enhancing IoT integration, and improving the offline capabilities for broad accessibility of our solution. By continuously refining the system, Sivaga remains committed to safeguarding our safety heroes with enhanced protection and efficiency across diverse environments. Thank you.